Today is Tech Tuesday, and Brad Perry's all over it.
Yeah, Brad, this company, first of all, is like local folks, you know, graduated from here and now doing amazing things to help people with who need prosthetics.
Yeah, everything's amazing. Yeah, these guys right here, here they are. Come on in here, kids, because that's what they are, kids. I just can't believe this. But yes, I found this out from the Fab Lab when I was down there talking to those guys. Oh, wow, 3D printer. That's awesome. I'd love to get one of those. And all of a sudden, like, oh, these guys are right in their own backyard. And they are, which is really great. You guys all went to SDSU.
Correct.
And so let's introduce them. This is
Braden Moreno.
Kobe Kabili.
Mike Pilkington.
And you guys actually were working on some projects, having to build something, and you're using a 3D printer, and you're like, God, this thing's so expensive. We need to do something differently.
Yeah, we were making prosthetic limbs using industrial 3D printers that were pretty expensive, and you know, we just were fascinated by the technology. We realized it could help a ton of people, and so it was one of those things where we're like, all right, we're going to set out and build our own 3D printers.
And the funny thing is that these guys went to Kickstarter with just a little prototype, thinking that you wanted to sell. How many you wanted to sell at the time?
We were hoping to sell 50 units. If we could sell 50 3D printers, we were going to be ecstatic, and it ended up being 1,100. So
in a month.
In a month, yeah.
Wow. And now you guys are located all across the country in Fry's, where Costco's all over the place.
Yeah, we're in a lot of, you know, BestBuy.com. We're in Fry's Electronics nationwide. We have some other distribution partners, and then we have some worldwide distributors as well. So we're in a couple different countries selling product now. So it's been pretty amazing.
This is amazing, and this is, I'm telling you, you guys are a hidden gem here. We got to get the mayor down here. We need to get, you know, Todd, all these guys down to see what you're doing, because your goal is to make sure there's jobs here doing this right here in San Diego, building these and putting them all together.
Yeah, correct. I mean, it's the new wave of technology, and you know, we have about 12 employees now, and you know, we want to continue to grow this company and, you know, create more jobs and, you know, sustain this technology and bring it to more people. So we're pretty excited about it.
And the other part too is that you're hoping that the schools see this, because that's when we talk to the dad that's so cool about it, is that the schools can have these right there to teach the kids, you know, things that they're learning.
Yeah, you know, the kids get it. Kids get the technology. When they see this, we see their eyes light up, and we see sort of their ideas come to life. And so we're excited about bringing this to more kids and seeing what they can do with the technology.
And I love where this is all going through. So the way it works, it's pretty much just the spool here. And people can have this right in their house right now, right?
Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's we sell for $7.99. You can plug it in and set up the software, and you can start printing in your house within minutes. So,
and there's programs. So we're going to come and talk more about that, but we're also going to come back and talk to a dad that uses it and the way that he uses it for his daughter and kids and stuff. So David and Lisa, I'm telling you, this is really cool. So it's amazing, and they're actually starting their own little print shop service too. So if you are someone out there that needs to have a prototype of something made to show off, or you know, for a presentation, they can do them right here for you. So it is Robo3D. That we're at today for Tech Tuesday. We're going to come back, talk to more about the guys, see what they're working on, and also how they use the 3D printers in their own business on building their little parts and stuff for things. So,
I want to see them
cool.
print. I want to see them print something. What are they going to print? What can they print?
What they're doing? Look what they're making right there.
What is it?
See that?
What is it?
What do we got?
That right there. That is actually. You ready for this? It's a piece that they're working on for another one of their 3D printers that they're coming up with. So they're like printing the stuff that they're building with.
They're printing a part for a new printer.
Wow. That must keep costs down.
Wow. Okay.
Is that like cool?
I have a bunch of questions. How much does each one of those things cost? Like if you wanted to print, I don't know, an earring, how much does it cost?
You don't want to know.
How much?
You don't.
I do.
You?
I do. Tell me.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. Tell me.
Are you ready?
Go.
Because I asked
Ready.
the same thing.
Okay.
You ready?
Ready.
Probably about 1 cent. Because this spool right here, how much does that spool cost?
35 retail.
35 retail, but it lasts.
35
I mean, it
what?
can make up
Cents,
to.
dollars?
Yeah, we did
what?
little pawn chess pieces, and we did almost 400 of them with one reel.
400 little like chess pieces for that. So your earrings. Earrings about 1 penny, right? About 1 cent.
We could do hundreds of earrings with one reel, yeah.
Yeah, hundreds of them. So
Okay,
that
well,
reel right
then-
there. There we go.
Then Lisa wants a pair of earrings.
Yeah,
as
so,
well.
so what you're telling me is I'm going to need to buy a 3D printer is what you're telling me. All right.
No, I'm. You know what? I'm getting one of these. So I'll have it. Do you want me to make? You know what? I'm going to make you some earrings this morning.
There you go.
I'm
Make her
making
some
you some
earrings.
earrings.
All right.
For a gift from me to you. All right?
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Brad.
And I just need one, Brad. All right.
David needs just one
Just
earring.
one?
Yeah.
Just one earring for
You
David.
got it. I'm making earrings.
We'll see.
All right.
Thanks, Brad.
3D printing company started by guys who went to school here in San Diego, and they print all kinds of things, Brad.
And I got a gift for you, but also, too, look at this. They talk about hiring people, but they hire kids over here. I'm sorry, I got to go. How old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
Oh, my goodness.
I'm 19, too.
And you guys are built. This is messed up, man. I got to call my mom and tell her that she definitely put me in the wrong business at that time. These kids are so smart and young. And that's where we're at. If you are just checking, it's Tech Tuesday. We're at Robo3D. They make 3D printers. But I bring in this guy right here. This is amazing, incredible dad here who has a child who's blind.
Yep.
And the thing is that you were trying to teach her about the world. And the hard part was, as you said, how do I tell my daughter what a wave looks like? How do I tell them like what the bus and everything? So you got a printer.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then started making things to show her.
Yeah, I mean, it's great. I mean, she sits there and she has no idea what something looks like. I mean, how do you explain a pizza? How do you explain, because they don't touch all those things. And so how does a wave look? How does it, that kind of thing. And so within, an hour, all of a sudden, boom, you have it. She can touch it, she can feel it, she can show it off to her friends. She thinks it's cool and she learns something.
And then you have the other kids now who are going, well, I want to build this, Dad, and stuff like that, which is another learning part of this.
Well, the biggest thing for me is that she likes to teach. And so what happens is we give her the wave, and then she starts trying to teach her brothers and sisters. She's the oldest, so she likes to teach these people, teach at school. So once she can teach it, she really knows it.
That is so cool to doing this and the different things to do. And that's how it really started, by you guys actually, one of your partners, working on a project for a hand, prosthetic hand. And now you have a guy who has one of these that's building these for kids and doing all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, we have one of our customers is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and he's part of a group called Enable. And what they do is they build prosthetic limbs for kids. And what's cool is they do it in the shape of superheroes or in the colors of their favorite sports team. So it's pretty incredible. And it costs about $15 to make a prosthetic limb like this.
And you guys do this all right here, and this is their control room, their back room, everything is being done right here. It's amazing. So again, you guys are looking to stay here. You're hoping the mayor comes over. I'm going to get him over here. I know the mayor. All right, I can say that. I know the mayor. So he needs to come see this. And that's what you want. You want more people to come see the business that you're trying to grow here. And you want other small businesses to know that San Diego is a place to be.
Yeah, most definitely. I mean, we're going to stay in San Diego, and we hope to grow this business in San Diego. So, yeah, we'd love to have the mayor come down and check it out.
I like it. And then this guy here, you got to make sure to say hello to everybody, who's all the kids and everybody who's.
Oh, geez. Yeah. All right, Layla, Shane, Jason, Lance, Melody, and Lulu, and my wife, Dory.
There you go. All right, get going to school, kids.
Yeah, exactly.
There you go. So, you guys, is Robo3D, part of our Tech Tuesday. You can go to KUSI.com to find out about them. And again, they're very great to have, very inexpensive to have for the classrooms. Already, there's some teachers I've called to have this. The new Children's Museum, talking about them getting some to do tech camps. And you guys will do, like, 3D camps, right?
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah, we'll do 3D printing classes. We'll teach all the kids how to use the machine and, get them set up to be successful with it.
I like it. There you go. It's Tech Tuesday, and coming up in the 7 o'clock hour, Lisa.
Yes.
I got a present for you. I
love presents.
You know what? Exactly. And boom.
All right.
Booyah.
All right, Brad.
Can't wait.
All right.
See you in a second.